AI can make you smarter or it can make you lazy. It depends on how you use it. Let's be honest, AI sounds super confident and it gives you the answers that feel right. And if you are not an expert, you might feel, well, it knows better, right? That's a trap. If you believe everything AI says to you, you stop thinking for yourself. Here is how to actually grow with AI. Add context. Tell it everything you know first. Ask follow-ups. Don't settle for one answer. Argue with it. Say, no, it's wrong. Explain again. And most importantly, ask why over and over again, like a 5-year-old trying to understand why the sky is blue. That's when real learning starts. AI doesn't know everything. It just helps you think differently. It challenges your ideas, but only if you are curious enough to question it. Because there is always more than one way to be right? So don't just trust AI. Play with it, question it, grow with it. Because AI isn't replacing your brain, it's giving it a workout. Now go try it. Go, 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 go!